How to make and create YouTube channel art cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. First thing, go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top right here, click on create a design and search for YouTube channel art like this and click on it, and it will take you to this page. Now right here, choose any channel art you want and click on it, for example this one, and now you can edit it very easy and fast. As you can see, it's so easy, and after you finish, click here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.